Greetings one and all, welcome back to my kitchen here today, where I'm going to be making a very simple, no pastry, egg, bacon and mushroom pie. And yeah, like I say, very simple. I'm going to cook it in the oven to finish it. But just for now, I've got here some bacon that I've just cut into sort of cubes, large sort of size cubes. I'm going to fry that off, then I'm going to take that out of my fry pan, and then I'm going to cook down my mushrooms and some diced onion and hopefully like that bit of bacon fat that's left there. So yeah, let me get on with that and then I'll get back to you. Alrighty guys, so I've just taken that those bacon pieces out of the fry pan, just put them in a bowl there. Like I say, I've left that bit of bacon fat in my fry pan there. And I'm going to put my sliced mushrooms and cook them in that bacon grease fat, as well as one brown onion. Alrighty guys, so I finished cooking those mushrooms and onions up. I've just thrown them in my bowl here with that cooked bacon. I drained most of that bacon fat off the mushrooms and onions, but of course some of it's been absorbed, but yeah, that's okay. Bacon fat's flavour, but I didn't want all the sort of loose grease in there as well. So alright, let's get on with it. So I've got here a bowl and I'm going to throw in some nice eggs. Now I do need to give a big shout out to a work colleague, Michael, who was also a farmer, who donated these eggs. And big thanks, Michael. I'm looking forward to using them. These are farm fresh, free range eggs. And I've got 10 of them. Alrighty guys, that's 8 of those eggs. I have got 10 there, but on the count of a few of them were really big eggs, thanks again Michael, I'm just going to leave it at yeah, 8 eggs there, and yeah, save 2 for another day. Right, next I've got some just some cream. This is thick cream. I just got down the shop just before. We'll put in a good, probably 3/4 of a cup of that. Alright, I've got here some just some onion powder. I know I've got onions, fresh onions as well, but yeah, I'm going to sprinkle a bit of that into my egg mixture. Not too much. Just a couple of good shakes. Some cracked black pepper. And I know my bacon's going to be salty, but I just want to add a little bit more salt into those eggs as well. Alright, I've got a whisker. We're just going to whisk that cream into our eggs there. No need to get the electric mixer out or anything. Just give it a good whisk up by hand, that should do. And if it's a little bit heavy, like this just feels a little bit heavy, I'm just going to add a little bit more cream. Fucking hell. Keep whisking it. I don't know if you saw that, but I had a bit of an accident with my camera. Alrighty guys, so now I've just got a nice casserole dish. I've just lightly greased the inside of that. Any sort of casserole dish you've got. I'm going to tip in my bacon, onion and mushroom mix into that. And I'm using my hands here. I've got very, very clean hands. I've just washed them. Don't waste any of those onions or anything. It's all flavour. I'm just going to add some grated tasty cheese. I'm actually going to be adding a little bit more as well up on top, but this is just to mix into the mix. So again, using my hands, I'm just going to mix that through. And we're just going to try and get like a little bit of height into that mix there, and that cheese is helping with that. It's not going to be super high, but and it's kind of just any of those bacon bits sticking together, just kind of separate them a bit with your fingers, just spread them out a bit basically, and get the layer even, like so. That looks pretty good. Now I'm just going to get another like half cup of cheese and just specifically sprinkle that over the top. Maybe not the whole half cup, maybe a bit less. And then we'll get my egg and cream mixture. And we'll just gently pour that. And just let it subside to the bottom a little bit as you're doing it. Alright. And just a very, very gentle tap, tap, tap. And we're going to get that into a 180 degrees Celsius oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, I've just served up a slice here of my Well, I was calling it a pie, an egg, bacon, mushroom and cheese pie, but I guess you could actually call it a quiche. Let's taste it. We'll just cut through. It's nice and firm. There's lots of beautiful filling in it. So yeah, it's looking pretty good. I might, yeah, just give it a taste. My goodness. And that just tastes so good. The bacon's delicious, of course. Bacon always is. But yeah, the mushrooms cooked in that bacon fat, the onion. It's very, very simple flavours, but it's so nice with that egg and cheese. It's yummy. I'm going to eat another bit. Man, that is so good. I cannot tell you. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks to all you guys who subscribe to the channel. Really, really appreciate it. Just ticked over 5,000 subscribers. Bit of a milestone. So, yeah, just want to thank every single one of you. You guys are awesome. Also want to give a big shout out to Michael again. Thanks, mate, for those eggs. They made that dish, I reckon. Those fresh eggs. Alrighty. That's all for this cooking video. Alrighty, guys. I will see you all next time.